Where are you from? I am from Russia. Oh, okay. I am from Bangladesh. Do you know our country, Bangladesh? Bangladesh. Yeah, of course. It is located Southeast Asia beside India. India? Yeah, of course, beside India. Okay.
Namaste.
Yeah, of course. Do you live in city Moscow? Do you live in?
Yeah.
Okay. What time is it now? Right now? What time is it in your country? Wow, excellent scenery. How beautiful. Okay, already I have followed you. Awesome scenery. Excellent scenery of your country right now. Are you a student? Do you study? Could you please introduce yourself? About yourself. Within short sentences. Are you Muslim? What is your religion? Alhamdulillah. Assalamu alaikum. I am too Muslim.
Assalamu alaikum.
Oh, wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.